Let me show you how to properly use any 4-digit combination lock. So first, if you are wondering what is the default code on it, to unlock it, it's all zeros. So you see on the top and bottom you have these markings and you simply want to take each turn wheel and set it at 0. So like this, and then you see you can actually unlock this lock. If you want to set a new combination for this lock, you simply have to hold it like this, so in the 90-degree angle, this shackle. Also, if you pay attention closely, you see you have also this tiny metal knob on the shackle here. And also inside the body, you also have like a tiny groove or hole over here on this side. So you would simply position your shackle like this in 90 degrees. So it actually goes inside that tiny knob, goes into the tiny groove in the body, and then simply push on it. So again, exert a bit of pressure, so it actually goes inside. And then we simply have to set our new code. So let's set it to whatever you want. For example, 2233, for example. Okay, so and again, make sure they're aligned properly with these arrows, otherwise it might cause some problems. So once set, we can release and pop it out, and then basically you see you can basically lock it. So and then once you have it inside, you can scramble the numbers here to whatever you want, and the lock is unlocked. So and if you want to unlock it, so again we would simply put it in the new combinations that we just set. Okay, so 2233, and you see the lock is opened. Also, if you have forgotten the code on this lock, in the description I'll include another video where I show basically how to gain access to the lock and guess the number even if you have forgotten them. Okay, good luck.